I have what's called autistic inertia, which I know sounds like I travel at the speed of autism. I get it. I understand. What it means is that I can't stop doing a task if I'm in the middle of doing a task, which normally doesn't affect me unless I'm jerking off in public. If you keep coughing, I need you to leave. I really need that. Throwing me off. This audience is also like, what's up with her? So you need to figure that out. All right? Just saying. Okay? If you cough one more time, out. All right?
Got it.
The rest of you can cough as much as you want. I'm very, very targeted. All right? I walked in and I went,